Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday, week 6 of digital learning. Can't believe it. Today we are going to look at the poem again, Song of Bravery, the one that you looked at yesterday. We're going to be doing a similar activity that you did last week for the story, If I Were a Superhero. We're going to be using emojis to show tone today. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to read through the poem to you, and then we'll go through the slides just to remind you of what you're expected to do. This activity will be completed in Google Classroom and turned in through Google Classroom. Please make sure that you click the turn in button so that I receive it. Thank you. Song of Bravery. This one's not a sure thing. I'm not bound to win. I don't think I'll ace it this time. I won't break a leg, make my own luck, or reach the stars. The sun is not shining on me. The force is not strong. Before the day is out, I'll taste the grit of dust. Maybe I didn't do all I could, or maybe I did. But there were others who did more. Maybe I'll never know. But here I go, bones clicking quietly together, blood flowing dutifully, my heart to hands and back again. Here I go, stepping out through the door of my own shadow into the glare of the arena. On the next slide, what you are going to do, and these are questions that I went through yesterday, you're going to answer each of these questions. You're going to drive these pieces into the boxes. Oops. Now, if you are in presentation mode, they will not drag. So you need to make sure that you are not in presentation mode. That's why I keep clicking forward. So answer the questions and then drag them to where they belong. This slide will be worth 5 points. On this slide, it says directions. Let's dive deeper into stanza 1. What emoji would you give the speaker? Drag and drop at least 2 emojis from the bottom of the slide. So all you're going to do, you're going to reread through this and pick out two emojis that you feel would show the tone of this first stanza. On this slide, it says, let's continue to analyze stanza 2. You're going to read through stanza 2 right here. You're going to make a personal connection. Write about a time when you felt like the sun was not shining on you today. Try to write at least 3 sentences in the blue box. Okay. On this slide, you are going to look at stanzas 1 through 3, and you're going to complete the chart below. Write 2 adjectives that describe 1 through 3, stanzas 1 through 3 in the green box below. So write 2 adjectives. Remember, adjectives are describing words. On your next slide, it says, let's dive deeper into the last stanza. Complete the chart below. You're going to write 2 adjectives that describe the last stanza in the purple box. 2 adjectives, 2 describing words. And then on this slide, it says compare and contrast the first and last part of the poem. How are they different? What change happens between lines 14 and 15? Write your thoughts in the chart below. So you're looking at this line and this line. What change happens? How are the first and last part of the poem different? Write your thoughts in the yellow boxes. So how are they different? How is this part different from this part? And then you are going to turn your assignment in on Google Classroom. If you're not sure how to turn your assignment in, you can click this link and watch the video on how to turn it in. But it should say, you should get a box here and it should say turn in, and you're just going to push that. If you don't turn it in, then I don't know that you have it done. And I often check, but sometimes I forget if it's not turned in, and I see that it's not turned in. All right, guys, good luck. I hope you guys do really well on this. I'll be looking forward to seeing your responses. Bye.